Hello and welcome to Empower's Content Management System tutorial. Today we're going to learn some things that make editing in the Joomla content management system a little bit easier. To begin with, I always start with two tabs opened, one of the front end of the site and another with the back end. Here I have a page on the site that we're going to edit. This is the World Docs training in Tampa and Columbus. This article is found in the Content Article Manager. I've already pulled this article up and I want to show you the editing window. There are a few tools up here that come in handy. One in particular is the View Full Screen. This makes it a lot easier to see the code. What I've done in this article is I've made a mess of it. See how it's very difficult to discern where everything is? One of the handy tools you've got is Beautify Html. What that does is make everything a lot easier to read. It's a good idea to start off by beautifying the HTML in your code before you start editing. It makes things like this easier to see. Let's talk for a moment about HTML. HTML is hypertext markup language, which means we take the text and then we mark it up with different tags. In blue in our editor, these are HTML tags. Most of the time, HTML tags come in pairs. There's an open tag and a close tag signified by the /. You'll see that in H3, in your paragraphs, and your divs. There's a pair. We've got a few tools up at the top where if you enter your text, you can then double click it and assign a tag, and it'll wrap this perfectly for you. You can also assign bold tags, and you can wrap bold tags in a paragraph tag. You can also create links inside of that by clicking the link. One of the tags that does not have a pair is the horizontal rule, simply applied by clicking the horizontal rule tag. Another great feature of this editor is the undo tool. By clicking the undo tool, you'll eliminate your changes just like in Word. There's a blue save button, and when I'm not in full screen mode, there's a green save button up above. If you use the blue save button, it creates what's called an AJAX save, saving your changes to the memory. These undo and redo buttons work if you click the blue save button. When you're done editing an article and click the green save button, the undo features disappear. Now that I'm done editing, I'm going to delete my changes from one tag, the opening tag, to the closing tag. Simply pushing the delete button. I'm going to save or save and close the article to properly save it. That brings me back to the article manager.